This is Creative Awakenings by Sherry Gaynor. What if you could unlatch the doors to your heart and allow yourself to explore hopes and dreams that you haven't visited for a very long time? Creative Awakenings is the key to opening those doors, showing you how to use art making to set your intentions. Creativity coach Sherry Gaynor will guide you through the mileposts of this exciting journey. Okay, so Creative Awakenings envisioning a life of your dreams through art, which is such a lovely way to look at things. So in the contents here we have it's set out in a different way actually. It's got several chapters, and in between each chapter are mile markers. So in the first chapter she talks about how it all came about and connecting with other artists, and how she contacted with them and building your dream journal. She's also got examples of supplies that you can use and setting yourself up for the journey. So the envision process is a specific process that she walks you through step by step, and you sign a contract as well with yourself to encourage you to commit to the adventure. It's a Visa Awakenings application, and then you create your dream book, and this will be the book that you will work through. So it says 12 months of dreams, the art of intention, and there is 12 artists which she's given a month to do a written piece and to talk about how the process actually, how they felt it impacted on them. And each mile marker there is a art piece for you to do, a creative mixed media piece. So as I say, 12 artists, and then there's a mile marker which is a creative piece for you to do, and then Sherry does a blog entry as well. So it's a nice piece. It's a nice book filled with the perspectives from different artists, and you go through a range of different techniques that you can work on. And it's one of those books, I guess, that you decide to do it over a period of time. At the back she then has a deck of cards, which and she gives you the instructions of how to play it, what each of them mean. So each of them have got a meaning. At the back there is the set of 12 cards that corresponds with that you can cut out, and then she gives you questions and reflections to work on with each card. So you could say pick a card and then look at, it says the deck decoder, you look at the deck and then you do the particular tasks that are on that deck. So it's a nice interactive book, and it's one that's going to take you a while to do. It's not that you can get through it all in, say, a weekend. It's something that I would give yourself, a few months to go through each of the activities, to read the journal pages, to reflect and to work on it at your own pace. But it's a nice way to look at your creativity, how you can incorporate different things in your creative process, and how you can grow and stretch yourself even more.